guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel guys. We're going to continue here again. Hope you're not sick of it. Yeah guys, it's a lot of work. I went to the junkyard. Junkyards are great, especially my junkyard. The junkyard near me, those guys are really good. So 9 out of 10 times they have 4 of these caddies there. So, but they're popular, and yeah, a lot of guys come there to steal all the good stuff. But I found some cool stuff. I did manage to bring a cordless grinder. I cut out a big chunk of a rust-free caddy. That caddy was way better condition than mine, so what, hey. Oh well, this is mine, so I'm not sure what I'll do next. First, I'll show you the junkyard, guys. Let's go. Guys, as you saw, my junkyard adventure was a success. Guys, this thing fought me for 3 hours. It's weird, huh? The cordless grinder, the last 3 centimeters, it was out of battery. I charged it at the junkyard even, but after 30 minutes still not enough power to really get anywhere. So I used a chisel and a hammer. Man, that was a mess, but it's a very nice piece, guys. Super solid, so really happy. Let me show you what the caddy here looks like. This super crunchy, really nice. So yeah guys, let's go. Oh, it's so much worse than I thought. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. No, honestly, I've never done work like this, but I get the idea what to do, but yeah, it's so much worse than expected. So my piece is too short, guys. It's the story of my life. Oh, guys. Yeah, there's nothing to it but to do it, so let's go. Tacked in. Looks pretty good. Somehow I messed up. Again, a little bit short, but it is what it is. Now, going to the junkyard. Let's go. Alright bros, got a sweet piece. Now I'm going to take it apart and weld it in, so. Alright guys, I have to end the video here. It's been so much work guys. I wish I made more progress, but it's 3 weeks of work, man. I almost did double the hours I normally do, so yeah, it's a hard job guys, but I'm really happy. This whole thing is solid, so looks good. I think I did a decent job. I still need to clean up this weld and do some seam sealer and make it nice. Then I'll do the rust over here, and then I'll make the outside body, do the body work. So really happy. I did explode a grinding disc, guys. It's totally wrapped around this piece and it only nicked my finger. I'm so lucky. It exploded in my face. So I didn't catch it on video, of course. 'Cause, yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.